Hi, I'm Ghee and welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to make modaks, also known as momos or dumplings. In this video you will see 3 different kinds of fillings and 2 types of outer cover to make this dish. So then let's start. In one thick bottom vessel, take half tablespoon of ghee or coconut oil, then add some poppy seeds to it and saute it on low heat. After 30 seconds or so, add coconut and jaggery. Mix all of this on low heat till the jaggery melts. Now you may turn off the heat and add some almond flour, broken cashews and crushed cardamom. You can use powdered almond in the place of almond flour if it is not available. In all these fillings, I have tried to keep the sugar as low as possible. You may adjust the sugar as per your taste. Next we will make apple cinnamon filling. For this filling we will start with one medium sized apple. We'll peel it and dice it in small pieces. Now in one thick bottom vessel, take 1 tablespoon of butter, add this diced apple to it and add some sugar to it. Now you see the sugar is melted. Keep stirring to cook the apple with this liquid sugar. Add cinnamon powder and mix it well. Then add shredded coconut. Add almond flour and mix it very well. Saute this mixture on low heat till there is no runny moisture left. You can see there is not much moisture left. You can turn off the heat and keep it aside to cool down. Let's begin with the filling number 3, hazelnut mocha. In one thick bottom vessel, take coconut oil and shredded coconut. Add finely chopped dates. Sugar will bring some moisture, so a couple of spoons of sugar. Mix all of these ingredients and add some cacao powder and coffee, and in the end we'll add some hazelnuts. If you don't have hazelnuts, you can use walnuts instead. Next we will make the outer cover dough. Here I have shown the dough preparation with finger millet flour, but the whole recipe you can process exactly same even with rice flour. In one thick bottom vessel, boil 1 cup of water, add pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of ghee or coconut oil. When the water starts to boil, add finger millet flour or rice flour, whichever flour you want to use. To avoid any lumps, mix the water and the flour very fast. After 10 minutes of resting, we will now knead the dough. The dough is still very hot, so if you cannot knead it with hand, you can of course use anything else like a cup or something that has flat base, and you can press the dough with that like how you see in the video. After a few minutes of pressing it with this bottle, I see that it is not that hot now, so I am going to knead it with my hand till it becomes very soft. Once it is soft and doesn't stick to your hand, you can cover it with a wet towel and put it in a closed container. Let's make the modaks while the dough is still warm. Take out a small batch of dough and make small lime size of balls. The key to perfect modak formation is kneading the dough properly to get rid of all the tiny lumps. Before I make the modak, I will knead the dough with my thumb and finger. By pressing with your thumb and finger, make a small disc shape of 2 to 3 inches diameter. The disc is ready. Now we will fill up the filling inside and just give a pleat on the sides of this by your finger and thumb like so, and just gather all these pleats together to make a small money bag shape. When all the modaks are formed, keep them covered into a wet towel and in one container so that they won't get dry. Meanwhile, we will get our steaming pot ready in which we are going to steam all of these modaks. In one big vessel, take 1 to 2 glasses of water for boiling. This low fat and low sugar dish can also be served as a gluten-free and vegan dessert. Just replace the butter and ghee with coconut oil. You may also prepare this dish as a fun activity with kids and get them involved to form the money bag shape of modaks. After steaming these modaks for 10 minutes, they are ready to serve. Decorate them with soaked saffron, or you can skip this step and serve them directly with some ghee or coconut oil. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.